Your workplace wellness is our mission. In today's fast-paced work environment, stress, burnout, and anxiety have become all too common. But what if there was a solution? A solution that helps you and your team thrive, not just survive. At Relaxy Wellbeing, we believe that mental wellness is the key to productivity, creativity, happiness at workplace. Our workshops offer more than just a break from your hectic work routine. You will get hands-on interactive sessions to tackle your workplace stress. From mindfulness techniques, stress management tools, to open conversations about mental health, Relaxy makes you feel seen, heard, and supported. Led by expert psychologists, our workshops are tailored to fit the needs of your organization. A healthy workplace isn't just about meeting and deadlines. It's about care, collaboration, and balance in your work and life. Book your Relaxy Wellbeing workshop today. Visit www.relaxy.com or call 01316 055 638.